Dear learners of class 6, this is the second part of the lesson Our Shrinking World of your social studies, conquering distance by the improvement of different modes of transport. And now railways. Railways facilitated carrying goods in bulk and over long distances. This is the advantage of railways, that it can carry goods in bulk and it can run over long distance, and it is faster than any other modes of transport on land. In India, the first train ran between Mumbai and Thane in the year 1853. Today, India has the largest railway network in Asia. It is our proud that India has the largest railway network, and it is the fourth largest in the world. The old steam engine has been replaced by diesel and electric engines, which cause less pollution and run faster. In India, the metro rail runs on both elevated and underground lines in Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru. You perhaps have noticed that metro rails in Kolkata runs in the elevated lines, that is overhead, and also in the underground lines. In cities like Chennai, Jaipur and Hyderabad, the metro rail projects will be completed very soon. Mumbai has its monorail system of transport, and Mumbai is proud of it. In other cities in the world periphery, London, New York, Paris, Moscow and Tokyo have a wide network of underground rail. Among the railway lines of the world, the well-known ones are: number 1, the Trans-Siberian Railway, which is the longest in the world and runs between Moscow and Vladivostok across Russia, covering a distance of over 11,000 kilometers. It is the longest railway line. You can see in the map the route of Trans-Siberian Railway. Number 2, the Transcontinental Railway, which runs across the USA and Canada, connecting the Atlantic and the Pacific coasts. This is also shown in the map, the Transcontinental Railway in USA touching Canada. The third one, the Channel Tunnel under the water of English Channel, connecting France and England. And the fourth one is the Orient Express, running between Paris and France and Istanbul in Turkey. This is also in the map, you can see. The bullet trains of Japan run at a speed of about 400 km per hour. Waterways. In the primary stage, rafts and boats which were rowed by men. Even today, this water transport is in use. Second stage, sailboats that moved with the force of the wind. Sailboats are there also in present time. Thirdly, came the steamers that ran on steam engines. This is a development. Steam engines. Presently, the diesel engines have replaced the steam engine. Water transport is cheaper than any other mode of transport, and its carrying capacity is much greater than a truck or a train. This is the speciality of the water transport. Big ships. Water transport only needs setting up of a ports and harbors. Perishable items like milk, meat and dairy products are transported in refrigerated ships. There are refrigerated ships, and milk, meat, dairy products cannot be rotten. These perishable items are transported in such refrigerated ships. Suez Canal. The Suez Canal completed in the year 1869, which joins the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. Due to the presence of the Suez Canal, today ships from Europe and America need not sail along the entire coast of Africa to reach Asia and Australia. You know that Vasco da Gama first came to India by crossing the Cape of Good Hope, that is the south point of Africa. But now people can come crossing the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal has reduced the distance between London and Mumbai by over 7,000 kilometers, and the traveling time from about 6 months to 2 weeks. Instead, in lieu of 6 months, that was the time before. Now it is only a matter of 2 weeks through the Suez Canal. The Panama Canal between North and South America joins the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. It was opened in the year 1914. Here is the picture where Panama Canal is lying. Indian major seaports are Kandla, Mumbai, Marmagao, Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip and Kolkata. These seaports are shown in the map, Indian map. Rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra in India are navigated by barges that carry goods and ferries and that carry passengers. Major rivers of the world like the Nile, the Mississippi, the Amazon and the Yangtze are useful inland waterways. These are the renowned inland waterways. The rivers Amazon, Nile, Yangtze, Mississippi. Airways. Man has always wanted to conquer the skies. At first, man flew gas-filled balloons which drifted with the wind. In 1903, in the USA, the Wright brothers developed a flying machine. With the progress in science and technology, the size and speed of aeroplanes have improved. Today, the supersonic jets travel faster than the speed of sound. These are the development. And now, the world has become a small village in this way. Air travel is the fastest but the costliest mode of travel. As the freight charges are high, only light, costly and perishable products are transported by aeroplanes. The major cities of the world have their links with one another. India has over 50 airports now. India's international airline is Air India within the country. Air India and a number of private airlines operate the domestic flights in India. Here are some of the domestic flights: SpiceJet, Indigo, Go Air, Vistara, etc. This is the end of the lesson Conquering Distance. In the next lesson, Communication, we will learn about the valuable contribution of our great scientists towards the development of wireless communication system. Thank you. Stay safe.